Hello and welcome to this tip of the week video where I'm going to show you some of the impressive filter size differences of the new 4-inch deep filter versus the older 1-inch deep filter. So this is of course the new 4-inch deep filter shroud on a MAG-200. This upgrade is available for all MAG-200s, so any MAG-200 can have this upgrade, which features quick toolless catch clamps to get at the filters for fast and easy filter change and inspection. And the pad filter is also increased in size along with the depth of the pleated filter. But what I'd like to show you now is to give you an idea of when we went up to this 4-inch deep, how much more surface area that gives you from the filter. Now I've got some of the filters laid out in front of me here. First I'll show you the MERV 8 pad filter. This was the standard one in the MAG-200. It is 12-inch by 4 inches tall. It's about 3/4 thick, and it is 3 layers of material giving you a MERV 8 rating. We are still using that same media, that same material, but now you have a full 12 by 12 area. So that size is increased substantially. Now to compare the two pleated filters, here we have the 12 by 12 by 1 inch, and here's the 12 by 12 by 4 inch deep. Now, it's sometimes difficult to appreciate the surface area difference between these two filters. We, of course, are letting everybody know that the 4-inch deep filter is going to give you way more filter life. But how does it do that? Well, it does it with surface area, okay? And to show you that, I've butchered 2 of these filters and opened them up so you can see them all stretched out. So let me get this out of the way. And first I'll grab the standard 1-inch deep filter. Here's it all stretched out so you can see the surface area of it, and as flat as we can make it. Here I have a 6-foot long ruler, and we'll set this down here, and if we stretch this out and stretch it nice and tight, we get to about 24 inches, okay? We'll set that here just to give you perspective. And now here's the 4-inch deep filter torn apart. And now you can see here, if we stretch this one out, we almost get to 6 foot. We get to about, looks like 67 inches. So when you look at the difference of surface area you're getting out of the 4-inch deep filter versus the 1-inch deep filter, you are getting tremendously more life out of this filter material. So I certainly hope seeing the 2 size differences between those filters and seeing how fast and easy it is to change the filters with this new filter shroud have given you the information needed to see how valuable it is. And again, I'll just give you a quick shot of these 2 filters. Here's that material again, the 1-inch deep versus the 4-inch deep. All these filters and the new upgrade are all available at Magna-Matic.com. So stop on by, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 800-328-1110. Thank you very much for watching.